Stop making big plans. They don't work. I'm going to tell you something most self-help books won't say. Small changes are more powerful than big dreams. In the next 20 minutes, you'll learn 6 simple steps to change your life in 2026. And if you're A1 or A2 in English, you'll understand every word. No difficult vocabulary, no confusion, just clear English and real ideas. This is Sona's English podcast. I'm Sona. Let's begin. Here's what happens every January. You make a list. This year, I will lose 20 kilos. This year, I will learn perfect English. This year, I will change everything. Big goals, big energy. But by February, nothing. Why? Because big plans need big energy. And you don't have big energy every day. Some days you're tired. Some days you're busy. Some days you just want to rest. And that's okay. The problem isn't you. The problem is the plan. Today, I'm going to show you a different way. A way that works even when you're tired, even when you're busy. 6 simple steps. Each one takes less than 10 minutes. And by the end of this year, your life will look completely different. But first, let me tell you why most people fail. Most people fail because they focus on results, not systems. What does that mean? Let me explain. A result is, I want to speak fluent English. A system is, I listen to English for 10 minutes every day. See the difference? The result is far away. The system is today. And here's the secret. If you build good systems, the results come automatically. Think about it. If you walk for 20 minutes every day, you get healthier. You don't need to think about it. It just happens. If you read 1 page in English every night, your English gets better. Slowly, quietly. But it happens. This is how change works. Not with motivation, with systems. And today, I'm giving you 6 systems. 6 small actions you can start today. Ready? Let's go to step 1. Step 1. Start with 2 minutes. Not 30 minutes. Not an hour. 2 minutes. Why? Because 2 minutes is easy. You can't say, I don't have time. Everyone has 2 minutes. Here's how it works. Choose one thing you want to do. Just one. Read in English. Exercise. Meditate. Write in a journal. Practice a skill. Now, do it for 2 minutes every day. That's it. But Sona, 2 minutes won't change my life. Yeah, you're right. 2 minutes today won't change your life. But 2 minutes every day for 365 days? That's 730 minutes. That's more than 12 hours. And here's the magic. After 1 week, 2 minutes feels easy. So you do 3 minutes, then 5, then 10. Before you know it, it's a habit. For example, you want to read more in English. Start with 2 minutes. 1 paragraph every morning. After 2 weeks, It feels natural. You read more. Not because you have to, because you want to. This is the power of starting small. But there's something you need to avoid. And most people do it wrong. Step 2. Don't break the chain. What does that mean? Every day you do your 2-minute action, mark it on a calendar. Put an X. Do it again tomorrow. Another X. Keep going. 1 X every day. After 30 days, you have a chain of 30 X's. And now, here's the rule. Don't break the chain. Why does this work? Because humans love patterns. We don't want to break something we've built. When you see 15 X's in a row, you don't want to stop. You want to keep going. This is how you build discipline, not with motivation, with momentum. Let me give you a real example. I wanted to practice yoga. I started with 2 minutes every morning. Just 2 minutes. I marked an X on my calendar. The next day, I did it again. Another X. After 20 days, I didn't want to break my chain. So I kept going. Now it's been 6 months. I do yoga every morning. It's not hard anymore. It's automatic. You can do this with anything. English practice, exercise, reading, writing. 2 minutes, 1 X, and don't break the chain. But what if you don't break the chain? What if you miss 1 day? That's step 3. Step 3, never miss twice. Listen carefully. You will miss a day. Everyone does. Maybe you're sick, maybe you're traveling, maybe you just forget. That's okay. Missing 1 day is not a problem. Missing 2 days in a row, that's when habits die. Here's the rule. If you miss 1 day, do it the next day, no matter what. Don't feel bad. Don't give up. Just continue. For example, you practice English every morning, but 1 day you wake up late. You have no time. You miss your practice. What do? Tomorrow you practice. Even if it's just 1 minute. Even if it's not perfect. You don't break the chain twice. This is the most important rule. Because failure isn't missing 1 day. Failure is stopping completely. So remember, never miss twice. Now, let's talk about something bigger. Something most people ignore. Step 4. Change your environment. This is the step most people forget. You say, I want to read more. But your phone is next to your bed, not your book. What happens? You scroll. You don't read. Or you say, I want to eat healthier. But your kitchen has cookies and chocolate. No fruits, no vegetables. What happens? You eat cookies. You see the problem? Your environment controls your actions. If you want to change your life, change your environment first. Make the good choice easy. Make the bad choice hard. For example, want to read more in English? Put your book on your pillow. Every night you see it. Want to exercise? Put your workout clothes next to your bed. When you wake up, they're ready. Want to drink more water? Put a water bottle on your desk, right in front of you. Want to practice English? Put your headphones next to your phone. Easy to start. See how this works? You don't need more motivation. You need better design. Change your environment. Make good habits automatic. Now, here's something nobody talks about. Step 5. Track your feelings, not just actions. Most people track what they do. I practiced English today. I exercised today. That's good, but it's not enough. You also need to track how you feel. Why? Because feelings show you what works and what doesn't. For example, you practice English at 6 a.m. You feel tired. It's hard. You practice English at 8 p.m. You feel relaxed. It's easy. What did you learn? Evening is better for you. So you change your schedule. Or another example. You exercise for 30 minutes. You feel exhausted. You don't want to continue. You exercise for 10 minutes. You feel energized. You want to do more. What did you learn? Start smaller, build slowly. So your feelings are data. They tell you the truth. So every day, write 2 things. What did I do? How did I feel? After 1 week, you'll see patterns. You'll know what works for you. This is personal growth, not copying someone else. Finding your own way. Now, the last step, and this one is powerful. Step 6, celebrate small wins. This is the most underrated step. Most people wait for big results. When I speak perfect English, I'll be happy. When I lose 10 kilos, I'll celebrate. But that takes months, maybe years. What about today? What about this week? You need to celebrate small wins every day. Why? Because celebration creates positive feelings, and positive feelings make you want to continue. Let me show you. You practice English for 2 minutes. That's a win. Smile. Say, good job. You don't break your chain for 7 days. That's a win. Tell a friend. You understand 1 new word. That's a win. Write it down. Small celebrations every day. This trains your brain to love the process, not just the result. And when you love the process, you don't give up. For example, I wanted to write every day, but I felt like nothing was happening. No big results. Then I started celebrating small wins. I wrote 100 words today. Good. I wrote even when I was tired. Proud. These small celebrations kept me going. And after 6 months, I had written 50 articles. I didn't notice the progress every day, but it was happening. So celebrate every day, even the smallest action, because small actions create big changes. Now, let me show you how all 6 steps work together. Let's put it all together. You want to improve your English in 2026. Here's your system. Step 1. Start with 2 minutes. Every morning, you listen to English for 2 minutes. That's all. Step 2. Don't break the chain. You mark an X on your calendar every day. You build momentum. Step 3, never miss twice. One day you're busy, you miss your practice. The next day you do it. No excuses. Step 4, change your environment. You put your headphones next to your bed. Easy to start. No friction. Step 5, track your feelings. Every day you write, I listened for 2 minutes. I felt good. After 1 week, you notice you feel better in the morning, so you keep that time. Step 6, celebrate small wins. Every time you finish, you smile. You say, I did it. This is the system, not motivation, not big dreams, just small actions every day. And in 6 months, your English is better. Not because you studied hard, because you showed up. This works for everything. Exercise, reading, learning, creating. Small actions every day. Celebrate progress. That's how you change your life. Now, before we finish, I want to say something important. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start today with 2 minutes. Change doesn't happen with big decisions. It happens with small actions, repeated over time. And the beautiful thing, you don't need to believe it will work. You just need to try. One day, then another, then another. Before you know it, you're a different person. Not because you changed overnight, because you changed every day. So here's my question for you. What's your 2-minute action for 2026? Write it in the comments. Keep it simple. Maybe it's, I will listen to English for 2 minutes every morning. Or I'll read 1 page before bed. Or I will write 3 sentences in my journal. Share your small action. Read what others write. Support each other. Because change is easier when we do it together. Thanks for listening. This is Sona's English podcast. See you in the next episode.